4 power a plus 4 power a equals 50. A equals question mark. What will be the value of a? Let's start the solution. That is, we have 4 power a plus 4 power a equals 50. We will have to simplify this equation for the value of a. Adding both the terms, we will get 2 into 4 power a equals 50. In the next step, dividing 2 on the both sides of equation, that is on left hand side as well as on right hand side. 2 and 2 will cancel out. 2 1 is 2, 2 25s are 50. So we are left with 4 raised to the power a equals 25. Further simplifying it, for simplification, we will take log on both sides of this equation. That is taking log on both sides. On left hand side, writing it is log 4 raised to the power a equals log 25. Here we will use power law of logarithm in order to simplify it. That is, if we have log m power n, then we can write n log m. N will come to the start. So applying this law for left hand side, a will come to start. That is writing it as a into log 4 equals log. Now for 25 we can write 25 as 5 square, and we will apply same power law here as well. We have written 25 equals 5 square. So on right hand side, again applying that power law of logarithm and simplifying it accordingly. That is, we have a log 4 equals 2 will come to the start into log 5. We have simplified left and right hand side according to the power law of logarithm. Now further simplifying this, we can write a log 4 as 2 square, 2 into log 5. Now this 2 power 2, so again 2 will come to the start. A into 2 log 2, again applying same law of power law of logarithm on left hand side. Now we are left with a2 log 2, so dividing 2 log 2 on both sides of the equation. That is on left hand side as well as on right hand side. From left hand side it will cancel out, and we will get a equals 2 and 2 will also cancel out. So we are left with log 5 upon log 2 on right hand side. Further simplifying this, we can write a equals, if we have log m upon log n, so we can write it as log m to the base n. We have used another law of logarithm, that is, if we have log m upon log n, so we can write it as single log, that is log m to the base n. We have used this law of logarithm in order to simplify the right hand side, and we have got a equals log 5 to the base 2. We have to simplify this problem for the value of a, and we have find out a equals log 5 to the base 2. In the next step, we are going to verify this solution by putting it in the original question. So let's start the verification. We have question 4 power a plus 4 power a equals 50. Now replacing a by its value. For 4 we can write 2 square, and for a plus 2 square power a equals 50. We have written 4 as 2 square on both the terms. Now in the next step, 2 square, for a we will write its value, that is log 5 to the base 2, which we have find out earlier. Similarly for second term, replacing a by its value, log 5 to the base 2 equals 50. Now further simplifying this, we can write left hand side is 2 power, and power will multiply 2 log 5 to the base 2, plus similarly for second term 2 into log 5 to the base 2, powers multiplied with the power. We have used power law of exponents. Now here we will also apply another law of logarithm to simplify the both terms of left hand side, that is here adding both two like terms we will get 2 into 2 power 2 log 5 to the base 2 equals 50. Above we have added both the terms, we will get 2 times these terms. That is, if we have a plus a, we can write it as 2a. So we have written the same terms in the form of 2 times. Again, writing it as 2 into 2 log 2 5, taking this 2 to the power, we can write it as, if we have log m n log m, so we can write it as log m power n. So we have used power law of logarithm in order to move 2 to the power of 5. Again, we can write it as 2 into 25 equals 50. We have used law of logarithm. If we have log 5 square to the base 2, so we can write it equals 25. So 25 multiplies 2 equals 50. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have verified the solution for the value of a. Using laws of logarithm, laws of exponent, we are given a problem, that is 4 power a plus 4 power a equals 50. We have to find the value of a. We have find out it as a equals log 5 to the base 2. Later on we have verified the result, and result is verified. Kindly subscribe our channel.